two-wheel drive. Nothing. No way. No way. Chase found a trampoline. It's a little flush, but it's a trampoline. This is kind of sick.
Fun. I want to fuck up my car.
Oh, it's a little broken in the corner. It's a little dangerous, probably. About ready to snap.
Unexpected. Guys, I'm gonna cannonball off my car.
No way. He's gonna do it.
No, my phone just died. Flip. What do you mean cannonball?
Yeah, do a front flip.
I'm not gonna fucking
I don't know. These
Do a flip.
a little bit.
I'm just gonna belly flop.
Just snaps his spine.
Smacks his face on the ground.
Yeah, just gah.
Just stay away from right there.
Yeah, don't go in that corner.
Right here.
Oh, there we go. There's a flip. He's got it. Who the fuck brought this thing out here?
Yeah, right?
It's so fun all like mobbing together. Like we're a little.
Caravan.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, put my pinky in the shot.
Walkie-talkies are such a good buy. Yeah, it's fucking nice. Ooh, this kind of sketchy though.
So were you able to GPS it? Oh, you're good, keep going, gas. Oh, easy. Oh, she's got it, keep going. Oh, you stopped, you almost had it, keep going, you're good. Woo! Easy. Ooh. Did you already take it off? Yeah. Oh. That's awkward. You got it, I He's already just taking off his tow hitch. Alright, I guess we're cruising. Shoot, guys.
Fucking figured it out. This thing is brake like fluid. Whoa! What? There's definitely brake like fluid. But I told her. Can't see it with the naked eye.
Yeah, what do you think I had in that big Twitter tank all weekend? Gas? Fuck no. That was brake light fluid.
Alright, should we go scope it out?
Let's just keep going. I imagine it's not gonna be any harder than what you just did.
I think if you just keep going to the right, there's an overlook.
I think the actual drop-off's still a little bit ahead.
The possibility that I didn't take the actual drop off and I took the drop off next to it, because there's like kind of a few ways down.
But yeah, I'm kind of just like holding my arms like a gyro.
You know? Trying to do it.
Yeah.
You get real tired. We're at Diablo drop off. We're just checking it out, scoping the route, see how it's gonna look. Okay, do you see where it goes? So it goes down right over there, and it looks like it just goes down. You just put it in low gear and just cruise down.
Put it in low gear, like what, like third?
No, like low, like put it all the way on L, because you have two-wheel drive, right? Just put it all the way on L,
I've never seen this during the day.
and then just go down slow. Take your time. And just remember, when you're sliding, if you're holding your brakes and you're sliding, you can't steer.
Getting up this might have been an issue.
Yeah.
You fucking did it.
Yeah. So this is gonna be the hardest part, but I'll just put it in low gear as low as you can and just cruise down slow.
Too bad.
I think that right side.
Who's going first? All right. I think we should go down this trail right here.
This one? I was gonna say not this one right here, but right over this other dip right here. That goes
Yeah, no, I'm gonna take the easiest route with the
That's pretty
400.
smooth. Yeah, I would too.
There's some crazy formations. It's so crazy, and look at this, how the rock is just like...
We're just scoping out a way, trying to find which way would be the easiest way down. That guy, the Jeep Cherokee, tried to go up. You see, struggling a little bit. Oh, this looks way better. Just gotta trust your sway bar a little bit, but you'll be fine. All right, so we just found her out, picked her out. I'm gonna go down first. We're gonna see if we can film some of it, and then yeah, I'm just gonna keep cruising. Should be pretty cool. watch me on the right side?
Yeah, you're good up here.
I'm gonna go right up next to it. Oh, am I on the right?
Good.
Roll. We weren't that surprised. You good? Or Terry, you get out and spot me, actually?
On what?
On this?
Me too?
Yeah. Just to be safe. I don't wanna. I think I have a shovel in my truck. Let me go grab one.
Those are his nuts.
Well,
Dude, this
I think we can do it.
This is a Flintstone fucking bowling pin.
That is. I saw.
So you're thinking tire on the left is
I'm
gonna
thinking
go-
tire. Yeah, left tire on here. You can even like stick your head out your window, and if you line your tire up right there, your right tire should be
on this
perfect.
mess.
Perfect on this. 'Cause this is pretty smooth too. But we'll be spotting you, making sure you're taking the right line.
I'm gonna hit.
Nah, I think you'll be good on. We could even have you go. We could even have you go up, and kind of around it, and then just turn back into this one and come down this way. It's pretty smooth.
But you're not gonna go. I don't know what your path is.
You want me to spot? Nah, I think this is perfect, honestly.
Pretty general.
All right, I'll spot you first since you're in front.
Right here.
Chase, let me get my Huh. All right.
Stand back and film everybody.
Hey, Greg, keep going straight. Keep going straight. Oh yeah, you're golden. You're golden.
Oh!
Shit, keep coming. Keep coming. You're good.
Golden.
Perfect. He did this one. He did it perfect. Pull up a little bit, Drew.
I did it perfect.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's better.
I'm straight.
All right, but when she gets about here,
Turn a little that way.
Hey, she's got a ton of clearance.
Tell her to turn a tiny bit to the right.
Tiny bit to the right, yeah.
A little bit.
I think that's gonna be the one.
Dude, it looks not even close right now.
Straighten out.
I mean, come look what I'm looking at. She's not even close. If you lose me, no, this way.
Straighten out. Straighten out.
All right, now come straight this way. You see what I mean? It looks like she's good.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe right there, like that.
Now her back's kicking up now.
You gotta keep
Turn a
going.
little bit to the left now.
Yeah, a little bit this way.
Oh,
Keep
shit.
going.
Oh shit.
Yeah, she's good.
Couple little scrapes. Couple little
character.
scrapes, but you're all right.
Damn. I don't scrape my shit up.
Looking good?
Pulls off the front of my bumper.
Looking good.
It was pretty entertaining for tonight.
Thanks, I know I always look good from behind.
But it's like half a second.
That's how I get those fucking redneck, what do they call them? Redneck pinstripes? Is that rough?
We should have camped over here.
This is pretty sick. Watch the door. Whoa. It's not PG.
Nobody lose their car.
Who's this? Who's this guy? Who's this bitch? Mitsubishi Montero, that thing's sick. There's some cool canyons. Alright, so we just finished the Fish Creek wash, and now we're just waiting for everyone to catch up. We might go do some shooting, so. There's Alex, the white 2 runner.
Your car's so dirty, I didn't know it was yours.